Racing. Racing just is started. Litong-lito. Break quickly restart to Metal Jacket. Corazon is on the outside. Jade's Console. The next online is Warrior Flame. Running by the rail comes Tapat na po. The next online is Sweet Felicia, while Rahabago is nearly trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Litong-lito. Full Metal Jacket in second, and in third comes Corazon. The next online is Tapat na po. Warrior Flame, and on the outside comes Jade's Console with Felicia. Second last, while Rahabago is still racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Litong-lito. Corazon now moving up on the outside, now says it's my turn to take the leader. We have Corazon now takes command, barreling anyhow. Litong-lito moving up on the outside, Jade's Console, then comes Full Metal Jacket. Warrior Flame, Rahabago comes next, and Diana entering the home stretch. We have Corazon by about 2 lengths. Jade's Console, Litong-lito is down on the inside. Full Metal Jacket, Rahabago sneaking, running by the rail. Last 100 meters, we have Corazon by about 6 lengths, and finally it's Corazon, Jade's Console, Rahabago, Full Metal Jacket, Litong-lito, Warrior Flame.
For our race number 4, ito po, the outstanding favorite, entry number 6, Corazon, ang ating pong unofficial winner. Masisunod po dyan, coupled entry. Ayan po sila, Jade's Console and Rahabago. Dadating dyan pang 6 din, o atong unofficial pacing po natin, 6, 8, 4, 2, and 7. So,